Hello students, welcome to Physical Science Digital Classes Mahbubabad. Myself Narendra Babu Kotla, PGD Chemistry, TSMS Mahbubabad. Today in this session we are going to discuss about reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. So in this we are going to discuss about activity. So in this activity, take two test tubes. We have to take the two test tubes, label them as A and B. Take the two test tubes, label them as A and B. Take 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate in test tube A and take 0.5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate in test tube B. Now add about 2 ml of dilute HCl to both the test tubes. Now add the 2 ml of dilute HCl to both of these test tubes. We will observe the brisk effervescence of a gas is produced. The gas will produce with brisk effervescence. Now pass the gas through the lime water. The gas which is producing here, that we have to pass through the lime water. The lime water that turns milky. When lime water that turns to the milky, that shows the presence of carbon dioxide gas. If you keep on passing carbon dioxide gas through milky lime water for some more time, the lime water becomes clear again. The lime water becomes clear. By passing excess of carbon dioxide through the milky lime water, that milky lime water that clears, the precipitate which is formed that undergoes soluble in the solution. And coming to the reactions, when sodium carbonate, that means Na2CO3, reacts with the acid HCl, then it gives the salt plus H2O plus CO2. That means Na2CO3 plus 2 HCl gives rise to NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Similarly, NaHCO3 plus HCl gives rise NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. That means when sodium carbonate that reacts with the HCl, it gives the sodium chloride, which is a salt, plus water plus carbon dioxide. When sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is also called as sodium bicarbonate, reacts with the acid, it gives the salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Now pass the gas which is evolved through the lime water, then what happens? The carbon dioxide is produced here. Now the produced carbon dioxide we have to pass through the lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. So now it produces the white precipitate, which is calcium carbonate. So calcium hydroxide plus CO2 gives rise CaCO3, which is insoluble, that is called as precipitate, plus water. If you pass excess of the carbon dioxide, the soluble hydrogen carbonate will be formed. That means the insoluble calcium carbonate that reacts with the water and the excess of the carbon dioxide, and it gives the calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is soluble in water. So from these activities you can conclude that the reactions of metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates with acids give a corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. So if you observe, the common thing is when carbonates of metals and bicarbonates of the metal, when they reacts with the acids, they releases the salt, carbon dioxide and water. And we can write the generalized form of the chemical equation as metal carbonate plus acid gives rise salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Similarly, metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives rise salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.